I'm Derek from Point of Sale Team. We're going to show you how to change paper and your journal spool on the SPS 300 and ER 900 series. First, remove the printer cover. Use the green lever to lift up the paper guide. Insert the paper tail under, with the roll flipping away from you. Now on the journal side, you'll need to remove the journal spool. Here's a quick demo so you can see how the paper is actually feeding into the journal spool. Again, use the green lever to lift up the printer cover. Drop the paper down, make sure it's flipping towards you. And also give yourself some extra slack. This will make it easier to fit the paper into the journal spool. And so give yourself just a little more slack so it's easier to drop the spool back into the printer. Put the cover back on, and we're all set. But let's ring in an item to make sure everything is printing and feeding correctly. When you need support fast, or help with programming, adding new items, changing your tax rate, or anything else, give our team a call at 909-884-0475 or visit us at pointofsaleteam.com. We hope to hear from you soon.